Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into how to enable birthday notifications on Snapchat to make sure you never miss a friend's special day. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage all your settings. Next, find the gear icon, also located in the top right corner. Give that a tap, and you'll enter the settings menu. Here you'll find various options to customize your Snapchat experience. Scroll down until you see Notifications. This section is crucial for controlling what alerts you receive from Snapchat. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're almost there. Look for the option labeled Friends' Birthdays. This little switch is your gateway to staying updated on your friends' celebrations. Simply mark it, and you're all set. With this feature enabled, Snapchat will send you notifications whenever it's a friend's birthday, helping you stay connected and making every celebration even more special. And there you have it. Now you'll never miss out on wishing your friends a happy birthday on Snapchat. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.